Welcome back to Motech Performance. My name's Alex and behind the camera is Jay. In this video, we're going to recap over some of the amazing AC Schnitzer builds that we've had in over the last week. So before we jump in on this G81 touring that I've got behind me, let's recap on some of the cars we've had in earlier this week. We had a lovely Alpine White Z4 for the AC Schnitzer Performance upgrade, along with the Quad Sports exhaust, and a Tanzanite Blue 340i touring for Tarox discs front and rear, and also the AC4 bi-colour wheels. So on to probably one of my favourite cars of the week. We have a lovely Tanzanite Blue M3 Touring. This car's a bit of a hybrid between M Performance and AC Schnitzer. The customer already had the carbon fibre front splitter along with the Aeroflix fitted. So what we've done is fit the lovely AC Schnitzer suspension kit to the front. So it's about a 20mm drop. We've done the AC4 wheels in Tech Gold, which really changed the appearance of the car. And then the AC Schnitzer boot spoiler. We've actually had that body matched in Tanzanite Blue, and it looks mint. Looks really, really nice. What we have done to the car, which is a bit more physical, is the Stage 2 performance upgrade. So that comes with the exhaust. As we mentioned on the last one we did, you get the choice of EC approved or non-EC approved. This customer has gone for EC approved to keep it a bit more tame for the roads. It is 610 brake horsepower and 750 Newton meters. So 100 horsepower up and 100 Newton meters up on torque. And that comes obviously with the exhaust as well. So it sounds lovely. Take a listen, let us know what you think. You've heard how great the car sounds. So back to the title of the video, 610 brake horsepower approved by BMW. These performance upgrades come with 3 years engine warranty. The reason AC Schnitzer are so confident in allowing this is because the cars go through a minimum of 20,000 miles of road testing before they even get sent for TV approval. This customer has also opted for the engine optics as part of the package. The engine optics is really smart under the engine bay, and it also comes with a dyno printout of the power increases, torque-wise and brake horsepower. Let's get the car outside and see the finished look. Thank you very much.